Hello everyone. In our previous videos, we have talked about two important aspects in the process of learning Burnett's approach. Now we come to the third and the most important component of Burnett's approach is about range of action. What is range of action? What does Burnett mean about range of action? And what is the utility of it in our clinical practice? We'll try to understand it. Here I have drawn a structure of lung. Let's take an example. A person gets pneumonia. And the cause is he goes in a cold climate, he gets exposed, chill exposed, and he gets pneumonia. He comes to homeopath takes the case, the chill, pneumonia, chill is gone, but the pneumonia is there. He takes the cause, he takes the symptoms, and phosphorus the remedy he gives, and patient is absolutely better. That's how we all practice, isn't that? We take the totality of symptoms, we take location, sensation, modality, ailments from, we prescribe, and the patient gets better. Let us take a second scenario where another patient comes. He has also got a pneumonia. But here what happened? In previous, the ailments from was chill. The chill caused a lot of difficulty. The pathogenesis and phosphorus was indicated. But in second scenario, what happened is that you get a patient who has pneumonia, who is showing exactly the same symptoms as the phosphorus symptoms, like the other patient was showing. All the hemoptysis, the pain, the oppression, the fever, the symptomatology is exactly totality of symptoms suggesting to you phosphorus. Let's take example that. But here the cause is he's being hit by a nail. There is a nail which he is hit by. So the lung gets affected. He got an injury and the nail hits. After hitting the nail, exudation, inflammation, all those processes start. He gets pneumonia. When you take the symptoms, it looks like absolutely like phosphorus. You give phosphorus, what happens? He gets better transiently. His fever might come down. His pain might come down. But he completely does not get better. Why? Because the cause has not been removed. In earlier sense, maybe the cause, chill, was a part of phosphorus itself, totality. So it got addressed. But here, until you remove the nail, his pneumonia is not going to be cured. The tissue damage is continuously going to be there. Patient might get, with the totality of symptom, the prescription that you gave, he might get transient relief, partially relief. But complete annihilation of the disease will not happen until you get rid of the nail. What is this nail? This nail is basically called persistent cause. Now you need to know a remedy. Range of action means what? He's trying to say that to cure actually you need a remedy which starts from the cause till the end, from beginning to the end. First scenario, phosphorus getting chilled, it was covering chill and the disease product, what it came the manifestation. In second, you need a remedy where the nail hidden, stuck in the lungs, tissues, to the changes, the manifestations of the disease that is coming up, both has to match. Then only you will be able to cure. That is the meaning of range of action. And here he comes and says another topic, another pointer. He says stop spot action. What does it mean? Many cases we have where we give on very singular PQRS symptom, taking location, sensation, modality, very good totality of symptom. But after a while there is a block. There is a stoppage. The patient does not get completely better. There is a hindrance. Partial relief happens. And we are wondering, our remedy is right, totality is right, but then why it is not going ahead? What is the main problem? The problem is stop spot action. There is something, some persistent cause is there which is stopping your remedy to act. What are these persistent causes? It could be a weak heart, valvular disease, liver affected, gallbladder affected, and more important, active microbes in the lungs. As we're talking about lungs, an example, active microbes in the lungs. Those things had to be addressed. So stop spot action actually means that you have to find out what is the thing that is blocking you, what is the persistent cause, what is the maintaining cause, and this maintaining cause can be innumerable. Once you try and understand this, then you will definitely be able to cure your patient. Range of action I can explain you in some way, like suppose you go for a walk and you decide that I want to go 20 miles. You say I want to go 20 miles, but you need a companion. You tell your friend, you ask your friend, he says yeah I will come. But his capacity is only to walk 12 miles. He will run with you till 12 miles and then he gives up. He says I can't go ahead. What will you do? And the scenario is such that you need a companion to go ahead. Then you have to drop him and you have to take somebody else who can move ahead for 8 kilometers more, 8 miles more. That's how you will complete your 20 miles journey. This understanding, this concept, we will elaborate as we go step by step further. How to understand what is top spot action in all cases, what are these cases, we'll give you certain examples of it.